There's a lot of good things to say about the flat belly fix. One of the cornerstones of the flat belly fix is that you'll need to spend 7 minutes a day, every single day, doing a series of ab exercises to tone your midsection. Anyone can spare 7 minutes, and this is one of the biggest benefits of this program. It doesn't require you to spend hours at the gym. These short daily sessions will be what drives you towards having a flat stomach. So who is the genius behind the flat belly fix? Todd Lamb, the creator of the flat belly fix, used to lead a SWAT team in his previous career. He's definitely experienced in physical training and knows what you need to do to get the best results in the least amount of time. It's like getting trained by a SWAT leader, which is pretty cool. What if the flat belly fix doesn't work for me? The flat belly fix is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. 60 days is more than enough time for you to lose several pounds and see your belly getting flatter by the day. If you don't see any results, you can always get your money back. There's absolutely no risk here. Still got more questions? Follow me to the next video where I've got more answers.